If you're an iOS user and you're still wondering that how you can install the Minecraft iOS version 1.2121 in your iOS device or in your iPhone, so this video is only for you. Now, this is the Minecraft official website. As you can see, you should simply go on this website, and here you will get all of the details related to this application, like you can download it after clicking on this option. Simply click on the download option. Here you will see download Minecraft for iOS v1.21.21, that is an iOS file. As you can see, this is an updated version of the Minecraft for iOS September 2024, the current month. You can click it, you can read about the game size, you can read about the application information from this menu, and finally click on the download Minecraft for iOS on this option from the official website. Next thing is you can check it out on the Apple App Store. The basic step you can follow is simply go on to the App Store, search Minecraft in App Store there, and if that is available in your country, you can successfully download it and you can use it without having any problem or any issue. You can also install it to the iPad. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.